Like I've said earlier, cooking is easy, but you just need to know your tricks and tips on how to make food. Hello, Sweet Fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make oha soup. In order not to waste your time, let's go right into it. These are the ingredients you need to make your oha soup. This is a goat meat oha. So first off, that's your goat meat, then your cocoyam, your blended pepper, your dried fish, your periwinkles. Well, your periwinkles is optional. Your stockfish, your blended crayfish, ogiri, your blended onion, then your oha leaf, your red oil, a little bit of red oil, and a little bit of Uziza leaf, and these are the ingredients you need to make oha soup. In the pot, you go in to boil your protein. This is goat meat, but for you, feel free to use any protein of your choice. After that, I'm going in with my onion, and I gently stir together. And after that, I'm going in with my seasoning cube. Then I mix together, make sure all ingredients are well incorporated, they are properly combined together. Then I'm just going to stir it a bit, cover and allow it to steam for about 7 to 10 minutes. In another pot, I'm going in to boil my cocoyam. So I just poured a little bit of water, my cocoyam, then I cover and allow it to boil. After 7 minutes, I'm just going to stir my meat a bit, then I'm going to add water so it can properly boil. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to get cooked until it gets tender. Time for us to remove our cocoyam from fire. I just had to make sure my cocoyam is well soft and it's ready. It's properly cooked. I'm just going to bring it out, then I'm just going to peel it until it looks like this. This is how it's going to look like after you peel it. Then if you have a food processor or a blender or a mortar, but for me, I'm just going to blend this. This is going to serve as a thickener for your soup. I just blended this for just few seconds, close to 20 seconds, and this is what we have. It's all blended, so I'm just going to put it in a plate and keep aside for our soup. Going in with my stockfish. After that, I'm going in with my dry fish. Next, I'm going in with my blended pepper. Then we're going to mix together. Then cover and allow it to steam properly. After 5 minutes, I'm going in with my ogiri. That's my fermented locust beans. Going in with my ogiri. I'm going in with my crayfish, blended crayfish. Mix together. Time for us to add our red oil. Then our blended cocoyam. I'm just going to scoop the quantity I want inside my soup. Then I'm just going to mix it together, and it's just going to dissolve by itself when it starts to boil. I'm just going to stir it a bit. I'm just going to cover and allow it to boil for 5 minutes, and this is how it's going to look like. I'm just going to mix it a bit. Then I test my soup to make sure it's giving me the taste I want. You can add pepper if you want. You can add extra seasoning or salt to taste. Then I'm going to go in with my Uziza leaf and my periwinkle. Mix together. Then after this, I'm just going to add my last ingredient, which is my oha leaf. Mix together and allow it to boil for just 2 to 3 minutes on low heat, and our soup is ready. Time for us to serve. I paired this with eba. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Let me know what you think. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this recipe with your friends and your loved ones. Thank you, my sweet fingers, for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.